Hi friends, want to make cool stuff? Welcome to Think and Tinker Studio. We're building robots, kitchen, science, and epic crafts. Let's create, learn, and make a little mess. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a loom. I have a tool here that's easier to use, so you can take one of the rubber bands, twist it, and then put it on like this. Once you've done that, you can take another rubber band and put it on top without twisting. And then after that, you can take one side and then bring it over, and then take the other side and then bring that side over, and then push this part down, and then take another rubber band and then take this up and over, and then keep repeating the same thing over and over and over. I'm gonna make mine into a bracelet. And if you want, you could even do multicolored and do like purple, orange, yellow, green, and any colors you like. If you want, you could even do this on your fingers. If it gets kind of like squished like this, you could just stretch it and that will help it. You could even make this into a keychain if you want. And at the end, you're gonna need an S-clip and then attach it to this so it doesn't come apart. I'm gonna push it down. I'm gonna do mine in a pattern. So I'm gonna do some pink rubber bands, which I am doing right now. And then I'm gonna switch on to different colors. I'm gonna do purple for my next color. I'm gonna take a purple one and then just keep repeating the same thing over and over. And if you're making a bracelet or a necklace, you can stop when it fits your hand or your neck. Since I'm doing a bracelet, it's gonna wanna fit my hand. So if you want, you can measure it like this, and I just need a little bit more. I'm gonna measure my wrist again, and I just need like this much more. You can keep repeating this until you think you're done. And remember, don't twist it like this. That's only for the beginning. Now since mine fits, I can carefully take it off the tool and then kind of put my thumbs around it, fold it, and then put it on one of my fingers. And then you can take your S-clip, and it has kind of like a little space over here, so you can put this in. And then you can carefully take it like this. And then connect it like this. And then it's a bracelet. Don't forget to like and subscribe.